Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you today in my homeliest of homeless clothing that I have because I didn't feel like getting ready. So we have no makeup. Hair is washed. That's shocking. But it's in a ponytail. And yeah, so I'm here because I just got my Boxycharm, like they just dropped it off. And I was like, I'll go ahead and film, put some more content out. I will be doing more videos, but I just, I've been living my best life doing face masks every day and skincare and lots of at-home things, painting and things like that. I just haven't felt like putting on makeup, but we'll get there eventually. I will say I've been taking good care of my skin and it does look really good. I did mess up and decide to pick at my face, and that was a big no-no. So I've got a few angry spots, but it'll be all right. It'll be all right. So anyway, I've got my two boxes this month. I've got premium and I've got the regular base box. So I'll start off with the base box. This is what it looks like. And the inside, is red. So I got variation number 7 if you're interested in that. And we will just hop on in. The first thing that I got is the Benefit Professional Primer. I've used this. I like it. I wouldn't say it's my favorite primer, but it is a good primer. I tend to use this in my kit because it is just a really good pore filling primer. And it's the normal size. I have like the jumbo one in my kit, but it's good. This retails for $32. Okay. Then I got to pick this item. I picked the Elemis Superfood, Calm Hydration Juice. This is just supposed to be like a really good hydrating serum for your skin. Let me see. It doesn't come in the box, so you can't even like see the ingredients, which I don't like. But I'm going to assume that it has hyaluronic acid in it because that's like the skincare product to put in right now, the ingredient. It's got aloe and it's a gel moisturizer. Well, I might be wrong. I assumed that this was a serum, but it looks like it's a gel moisturizer. So this retails for $48. Okay. Then the next thing I got, these are the Cover FX, not Cover FX. That's what I get for just speaking instead of reading. These are the Iconic London Illuminating Drops, and I will show you what these look like. From what I have heard, these are the most blinding. That is a drop of it. And that is it. Ooh, girl. That is pretty. I like to use products like this. You can obviously use it to highlight your skin. I like this to mix in with foundation to make a more matte foundation a little bit more luminous, or with a primer to give a glow from within before you put on foundation. I do have some from Cover FX, but they were like straight up. I think they were the glitter drops that I got, and they were glitter. This is definitely more just metallic, which is super pretty. And this retails for $41. Does it have a shade? It's just the original shade. That's what it says. Okay. And then the next thing I got was this Lavish brush set. The colors are super cute. And let me pop into it. This is a struggle. Okay. Here we go. These are an eyepiece brush set, and they retail for $29.99. For purposes of rounding up, I said $30. But you get a fluffy blending brush, a like pointed brush. I use these for eyeliner. I actually use these to tint my eyebrows with men's beard dye. It works. My eyebrows are dark. They're a little too dark right now, but they'll lighten up. And then you got like an eyebrow brush that has a spoolie on the end, a pencil brush, and a packing brush, which is a good, nice round set of brushes to get. And they're super cute and colorful. So I will definitely use those. I also like that they're tinted at the top. I think that's super cute. Okay, and then the last thing I got in my regular box was the makeup eraser, the sunset version. If you haven't used a makeup eraser, these are awesome. It is like a microfiber cloth thing that you can throw in the washer when you wash your other towels and stuff. But you're not supposed to have to use any other product. You just use this. And it's cute. And this will remove all your makeup. I still will use like a cleansing balm when I use one of these just because I like to feel really clean. But this does help. I just feel like if I don't use a cleansing balm, I'm a little rough on my skin and it can irritate and cause wrinkles. And we're not trying to cause wrinkles this early on. I'm 25. I don't want to be looking like I'm 30 yet. Not yet. So for this entire box, I paid $25 and it retails, like all of the products together are worth $173. So it's a good box. It's not my favorite box that I've ever gotten, but it is a nice, well-rounded box. You've got some skincare, you've got some tools, you've got some makeup. It's a little bit of everything. Like I said, it's not my favorite, but it's not the worst. I will say that. So now, let me put all that back in there. And we will move on to premium. Okay? So here's the premium box. It's obviously much bigger. And it is blue on the inside. So premium's $35. You can do one and or the other. You don't have to do both. I just do both because I like makeup. So anyway, we'll hop on in here. Let me get the little card thing out so I can go in order. Okay, so the first thing that I got was this Pure and Barbie palette. I actually was gonna buy this, but by the time that I decided I wanted it, it was sold out everywhere. So I am glad that I got it. There were a few different options as far as palettes or things that you could get were concerned. You could have gotten a mask, the Lunar Beauty palette, this one, or a Smashbox palette. And I wanted the Lunar Beauty palette or this one or the mask. So I got one of the three things that I wanted. But let me pop it. I think the packaging is so pretty on the outside. It's like textured. Looks very Barbie. And then that is the inside. You've got a pressed glitter and then some metallics and everything like that. It is beautiful. I will definitely use this. While I will say it's not like my favorite color story, I do think that there are some pretty colors in there. And it was nice to get in a box. So that retails for $34. The next thing that I got was this Peach and Lily toner, the Good Acids toner. So I picked this item because it's supposed to be like a chemical exfoliant that you can use daily. And we know that I love exfoliators, 1. 2, I love chemical exfoliators. And 3, skincare. That's what I'm really on a kick right now. But this is what it looks like. I'm super excited to try this out. I believe that it says that it has turmeric, eggplant. Turmeric is supposed to be really good for your skin. I've been mixing it in with some mask recently and I love it. It is very brightening to the skin. It will stain though, but I don't think this will. So I'm excited to try this. This retails for $39, which is expensive for a toner, but it's in a glass bottle. It's bougie. Okay, the next thing that I got is this Levito, I believe is how you say it, Age Away Replenishing Cream. So a moisturizer, and this is what it looks like. This retails for $70, $69. I've never heard of this, but it has grapefruit seed, avocado oil. Firm, hydrate, and repair. I love a good moisturizer, an anti-aging moisturizer. Those are always good to get in the box too, because especially I can use anything for nighttime. During the day, I have specific things that I like to use under my makeup, but I will definitely try this out at night. And the next thing I got was this brush set from Opulent Beauty. So I got another brush set. This is the only thing with getting 2 boxes. You kind of get some repeat type products, if that makes sense. Like, I got brushes. Granted, these are face brushes, and they're crystal at the bottom. They're just clear acrylic. they say crystal. These retail for $40, the 3 brushes. They're very, very soft. This is a fluffy one that I would probably use for powder. You have a flat top brush that would be good for foundation. And then a more tapered brush, which I would use for under eye setting powder, but you could use this to highlight, contour, whatever you want to do, girl. You do your own thing with your own brushes. But, like I said, these retail for $40. I don't know about all that. That's the only issue, especially, like, these are not as well-known brands. And this is premium, so it's supposed to be premium brands. So I'm expecting Hourglass, Natasha Denona, Dior, you know, bougie brands, and we'll get into my opinions about it in a minute. Okay, and then the next thing I got was this Too Faced Pretty Rich Dazzling Lip Gloss, and it's in the shade Hidden Talents. It is a pretty color for a lip gloss. I don't know, but it's very, very pretty. My only issue is that this is the 3rd lip gloss I've gotten from this collection, the Pretty Rich collection. So that tells me that this collection did not do good with Too Faced, and they're just trying to get rid of the extra stock. And this is the 3rd shade of lip gloss that I've gotten. So this retails for $21, and while it's a good item, like it's a good brand, it's Too Faced and everything like that, it's just like, I've gotten 2 already. I don't need a 3rd. You know, Boxycharm, pay attention to my account. That's all I gotta say. Okay, and then the last thing that I got is this Mr. Greengrass, or M. Greengrass. I added the R. M. Greengrass Beach Air Dry Oil Spray. Fast absorbing spray is formulated with a blend of high quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving the skin. Oh, so it's a dry oil spray to put on your body. I will say I love oils. I love to mix oils in with my body butters and like lather myself at night and then sleep in sweatpants and a long sleeve shirt, because I just feel like I get to soak up all that goodness. So that's what I tend to do. My favorite oils are from Buff City Soaps. You can order them online. If I can find them online, I should be able to. I'll link it below. Narcissist is my favorite. Smells like Tyler candles. Love it. But this is, it's called Beach Air is the scent. So let me smell it and try to describe it to you. I mean, it smells like beach air is the best way to describe it. It smells like salt and like sand. You know, like a beach just smells. A little bit of sunscreen, a little bit of lemon. I'm not good at describing scents at all, but I will be excited to use this. I think it'll be good. And since it's a dry oil, that means that it'll absorb really quickly too. So it'd be good to put on before you go out. Not have to worry about it sinking in or anything. It says for body, face, and hair. I can guarantee you I would not put this on my face. But I might put it in my hair at the ends if they're feeling dry and crusty. This might be good for that, but probably not. So, and this retails for $36. That means that my total value of my premium box was $239, which is a good value, but here's my gripe. Okay, this is where I get to vent. So if you don't want to hear it, just skip on. I get that it's a subscription box and I'm going to get things that I don't love and I don't like. And if I don't want to do that, then I just don't have to be subscribed. You know, I get that. It's my money. I can do what I want with it. But when I see other variations of things, it's like, how did I get this stuff and somebody else got all this amazing stuff? Like they had some Natasha Denona in this box. They had Dose of Colors and all this kind of stuff. And it's like, girl, I fill out all the quizzes. I pick anything that I like. I write reviews on Boxycharm. And some months it pays off. Like last month, great. This month, it's like, girl, no. So anyway, I'm excited. I'll try some of this stuff out. Is it my favorite? No. kind of makes me feel like maybe with all this going on and trying to save money, because I'm not doing weddings like I normally do, and prom and all that stuff, maybe I should cancel Boxycharm. I don't know. Am I going to? Probably not. I've been subscribed for probably 8 years at this point to Boxycharm, so I don't see me canceling it, but I might just go with one or the other. Let me know what you think I should keep, regular or premium, or if I should keep both. I like to have the base box because I love to get Luxe. I don't know. I'm just really conflicted right now, especially with just getting repeat items and unknown brands and stuff like that. Like I said, this is major first world problems. Like, I know that there's so much more going on in the world right now and I should just get over it. It's just makeup. But at the same time, it is what it is. So, thank y'all so much for being here. I hope I wasn't too much of a Debbie Downer. Like I said, let me know what you want to see next. Leave me some comments of some different videos you want to see. Check out the videos on either side of me. And yeah, next time I see y'all, hopefully I'll be pretty and made up. My fake tan will be reapplied, and I will be living my best life. But until then, I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.